First we come on exercise. This is our MCQ. Miscellaneous exercise, multiple choice question. Three possible answers are given for the following question. Tick the correct one. First is a grouped frequency table is also called frequency distribution. Data not possible, frequency polygon not possible, so only one option left, frequency distribution. Second is a histogram is a set of adjoint histogram is like this one. So it's use rectangles, not squares, not circles. A frequency polygon is many-sided closed field. Frequency distributive mean like this one. So it's closed figure, not rectangle, not square. Fourth one is a cumulative frequency table is also called less than cumulative frequency distribution. Fifth one is in a cumulative frequency polygon, frequencies are plotted against upper class boundaries. Arithmetic mean is a measure that determines a value of the variable under study by dividing the sum of all values of the variables by their number. Summation x by n. X bar. N mean number of elements. So answer is A. Our deviation is defined as difference of any value of the variable from a constant number. Deviation means x minus a or a minus x. Our data in the form of frequency distribution is called group data. In group data we use frequency summation fx by summation f. For group data there is mean fx by summation f. So in group data we have frequency distribution. Mean of variable with similar observation, say constant k is k itself. Mean is affected by change in value, ratio or origin. Answer is origin. Mean is affected by change in scale. Sum of the deviations of the variable x from its mean is always 0. Sum of deviation is also 0. You can check in questions. Whenever you add d, it becomes 0. The nth positive roots of the product of the x1, x2, x3 observation is called geometric mean. Mode not possible, mean not possible. Mode mean most repeated value and mean summation x by that. So it's geometric mean because we take the power positive root. The value obtained by reciprocating the mean of the reciprocal of this is called harmonic mean. The reciprocal of geometric mean is harmonic mean. The most frequent occurring observation in a data set is called mode. The measure which determines the middlemost observation in a data set is called median. The observation that divides a data set into 4 equal parts are called quartiles. Quartile means 4 parts. The spread or scatteredness of observation in a data set is called dispersion. उसमें कितनी change आ रही है. The measures that are used to determine the degree or extent of variation in a data set are called measure of dispersion. The extent of variation between two extreme observations of a data set is measured by range, maximum minus minimum. The mean of xm minus maximum minus minimum is called range. The mean of the square deviation xi observation from their arithmetic mean is variation. The standard deviation, square deviation, standard deviation, when we take square, it becomes variance. Square of standard deviation is variance. The positive square root of mean of the square deviation of observation from their arithmetic mean is called standard deviation. Square root, here we have square root. When we take the square root of variation, it becomes standard deviation. Okay. There is no fill in the blanks in this exercise, so this complete our MCQs. Now we start exercise 6.3. In 6.3 we have only question number 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here I solve question number 4. The salaries of 5 teachers in rupees are as follows: 11,500, 12,400, 1,500, 1,400, 1,800. Find range and standard deviation. Range is maximum minus minimum. This is range. X maximum minus x minimum. The maximum value is 1500 and minimum value is 11500. So difference of this is called range. After this we have to find standard deviation. The standard deviation formula is summation x square by n minus summation x by n whole square. For this purpose, we have to find x square and summation x and summation x square. Okay. I write x 11, 500, 12, 400, 1500 and we take the square of this and then we add them. You use your calculator to find the squares of all these values, and after adding we have 9,4,9,4,0,300, 000. This is summation x square. We just put the value over here, and after calculation we value of these. After calculation we get the answer 141.7.88. This is our answer. Now I start question number 5th, part number 1. Okay. Exercise 6.3, question number 5, bar number 1. 12, 6, 7, 3, 15, 10, 18, 5. We have x and x square. X is 12, 144, square root of 12 is 144, 6, 36, 7, 49, 3, 9, 15, 225, 10, 100, 18, check 5, 25. And then we have summation x and summation x square and n. N is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So n, the value of n is 8. And the sum of this is what we take calculator and add them. We have 12 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 15 plus 10 plus 18 plus 5 and we get 76. Now we have to add the square of 12 square. 12 square is 144 and 18 square is 324. Now we add all these values. 144 plus 36 plus 49 plus 9 plus 225 plus 100 plus 324 plus 25 and we get 912. We just replace these value in formula summation x square by n minus summation x by n whole square root. So we have summation x square means 912 by 8 minus summation x means 76 by 8 whole square and square root. Now we calculate all these values with the help of calculator and we get our answer. What is answer? Answer is, by using calculator we have the answer 4.87. 4.87. This is standard deviation with the help of calculator. We have 912 divided by 8. The answer is 114. 114 minus 76 by 8 equals to this, and the square of this is 90.25. Now we take the square root of 114 minus 90.25 and we get 23.75 and square root of 4.87. This is our answer. That's enough for today.